Hey, what's up? It's Gabe from CosmosTruckAccessories.com, making you this video with the purpose of showing you the different types of lift and tire setups for your truck that you will see when shopping on our website. We have made the lifting process super simple in 3 easy packages, ranging from your daily driver, lower budget setup, to your built package, which includes to be able to fit 35s, and your more premium setup, which is something like this on the wall, 6-inch lift, 4 to 6 and higher to fit 35s to 37s. Starting with level 1, which is the daily driver or lower budget setup. So in this package, we're going to include for you your choice of 17, 18, or 20-inch wheels, a leveling kit, and up to 33-inch tires. You're going to select your truck. You're going to be taking to choose your kit or your level of system. Right now we're talking about the daily driver. The daily driver, you have 2 options on leveling kit. You could either fit like a regular leveling spacer, something like this, which is like the cheapest route, the most economic, but it's you get what you pay for, so it's probably not going to be the best ride. Or you can go with a loaded strut. This is a much more recommendable option from us to you guys who are driving, and that's what I got on my truck. You could either go with a rough country strut or a better Fox strut, coming in at the lowest price point from $3,200 to $4,300. That includes the leveling kit, the tires, and the wheels. All right, so moving on to the second package, which is one of my favorites. This is perfect for you if you like a more aggressive look and feel to your truck. And we're gonna be including for you a 3.5-inch lift kit, 17, 18, or 20-inch wheels to be able to fit a 35-inch tire. As part of the lift kits in this tier level, the built package, we offer rough country 3.5-inch lifts. You could also go with a zone with control arms. Most of these kits will come with control arms to be able to fit that 35, because you're gonna adjust some of the geometry angles of the suspension, so the control arm is gonna help retain those angles. 35-inch tires, your choice of 17, 18, 20s. We got fuels, methods, race lines, whatever you want. So this kit, like I said, is perfect for those guys who do a little bit of more weekend warrior action. You want to hit some off-road spots with the buddies. This is really going to make your truck stand out from your friends, and just give it that good character. These packages are going to range from $4,600 to $7,800. That includes all the parts in install. Now moving on to the premium boss packages. A 6-inch lift or higher, 35 to 37-inch tires, and also your choice of 17, 18, 20, or even up to 22 and 24-inch wheels. This is for the guys who want a show truck, want to show off, and really have quite a bit to invest into their truck to make it stand out from everybody else. And you can lift your truck up to 6 inches, put something more premium like some quality coilovers. We got rough country, 6-inch kits, McGoy's, BDS is really popular too. These kits also come with control arms, and usually all of them come with rear shocks as well. 6-inch lift is going to allow you to have just a taller stance in general than the previous 2 levels. And as far as the tires go, you can throw on some 35s, 37s. So these are going to range anywhere from like $7,500 all the way to $10,600 investment into your truck. Like I said, that includes the lift, wheels, tires, the install, tax, shipping out the door. So that wraps up the best lift kit and tires for your truck, the different types of packages that we offer. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. Hope you guys learned something, and we're ready to help you build your dream truck. We also have finance plans, which are really helpful. 90-day payment plans, no interest, or also 1-year plans. So if you guys need help, shoot us a message and visit our website to shop all these styles that we talked about to make your dream truck a reality.